The following is the sound of Katrina wreaking havoc in New Orleans, destroying cars, businesses, homes, and much more in 2005. The next one is the sound of Diana destroying the homes and lives of more than 2 million innocent species by 2021. Stop using plastic straws and join Corona at protectparadise.com.
The following is the sound of Mitch destroying whole villages as it ravaged Central America more than 10 years ago. The next one is the sound of Omar destroying the world's animals, plants, and humans' hope of survival. Stop using plastic straws and join Corona at protectparadise.com.
The following is the sound of Nina, with wind speeds of over 185 kilometers per hour, destroying two of China's most important dams. The next one is the sound of Erica, almost destroying America's, Europe's, Africa's, Oceania's, and of course, Asia's fishing industry. Stop using plastic straws and join Corona at protectparadise.com.